jacket. He's got a black gear sack on the back of the bike. As I said, it looks like a red Kawasaki. He's got a full face helmet on, one up. Still down towards Yelgin.
Copy that. Current traffic conditions and weather conditions, if you would.
Yeah, the traffic's still light at this stage. Road's dry, fine weather. Still southbound towards Yelgin. I'm doing 180 at the moment. Still have him in sight.
Copy that. And Tweed 204, what's the manner of driving of the rider, thanks his style of riding at the moment?
Yeah, he's pretty much in control of what he's doing at this stage.
That. Tweed Byron 203.
A couple of kilometres behind 204, I'm going to assist him.
Copy that, and standing by Tweed Byron 10 if you're on air or the supervisor monitoring.
Tweed Byron 10, boy.
Thanks, Tweed Byron 10. Just got that pursuit going southbound on the Pacific Highway.
I copy that radio.
Yeah, Byron 205, standby less urgent. Tweed Byron 204, your current speed and conditions and your current location.
Yeah, 204. Just got caught up in traffic a bit there. I'm now going at 200 to catch up to the bike. He's not going as fast as that, so I'm just trying to catch up, but he's still southbound, heading towards Brunswick Head. The traffic is still light, the roadway is dry. I'll be back up behind him very shortly. I believe there's a Byron Bay Highway car on today.
Traffic 203.
Traffic 203.
I'm in the Sydney 2, monitoring.
And from the supervisor here, 204, if you could estimate the current speed of the vehicle you're chasing.
Yeah, I still think he's hovering around the 180 mark at this stage radio. I'm catching up to him in the next 10-15 seconds. He's still south, so he's about to get on the Brunswick River Bridge. Yeah, he's back off about 180 now, back to maybe 170.
Byron 206, I'm just south of his location.
That. Sorry, Tweed 205, you're waiting.
205, I was just letting you know I'm heading from Byron out to the highway now. I was taking some public servants up to a police funeral at Lismore. If it's possible, could one of the vehicles return and pick them up?
Copy that, we'll give the station a bell, I can do that on the mobile phone.
Tweed 204, I'm back behind that cycle now radio, still southbound, Pacific Highway, speed 180, traffic's light.
204, could you just repeat your driving experience, thanks?
Yeah, radio, Gold certified highway. I've got 22 years civilian, 20 years police, and 16 years highway.
Thank you. Current traffic conditions?
Yeah, there's still light at this stage radio. We're still southbound towards Byron. Every now and again the traffic gets a little bit heavier and got away from me a little bit now. But the traffic's thinned out. I'm still southbound at Viagra.
Copy that, you're southbound at Viagra.
206, he's just coming up to the rear of me now. Across his Tandy's Lane.
Tandy's Lane, thank you.
Oh, I'm coming up right behind him now.
Copy that. Tweed 204, are you staying as the primary vehicle?
204, I'm still primary.
Copy, thank you. To ensure I've only got one vehicle following closely as backup.
Look, he's coming towards us.
The last transmission was unreadable.
He stopped.
So vehicle, if you could check your handset, thanks, your transmitter's locked on. And for Tweed 204, another vehicle, if you can just confirm that the pursuit has ceased, vehicle stopped. Vehicles can just check your handsets, thanks, we've got a transmitter locked on. Tweed 204, a vehicle with that transmitter locked on. Just confirm that this pursuit has ceased, that the vehicle has stopped.
6, he has stopped, one in custody, no further cars. On the highway, Pacific Highway, Tagra, nearest cross is Golden Road in the southbound lanes. Everything's okay here.
Was that Golden Road?
Correct, I'll get back to you shortly.
Thank you.
Please bye.
Okay, you're in heavy static, unreadable.
26 back on.
Thanks, Bonaldo 26, copy you back on.
Tweed Byron 10.
Byron 10, go.
Yeah, we copy those transmissions. Can you just get the driver of the involved in the pursuit to contact the duty officer at Tweed Heads? When you can, thanks.
Copy that. And standing by Tweed Byron 204 when you've got a minute.
Richmond 201.
Richmond 201, go ahead.
Richmond 204 up on air and at his nearest convenience. If you can just give us a call on my personal mobile, thanks.
Richmond 204. Richmond 204, if you can contact 201 on his mobile.
Yeah, traffic 203.
Traffic 203.
Out of the car for a short while. Where have they got that cycle stopped?
They got him stopped at Pacific Highway, Tagra, southbound, cross of Golden Road, 1 mile in custody.
Copy that. Yeah, traffic 266 and 268 just going off with those vehicles. Byron 206.
Byron 206.
Just securing the cycle and getting the guys property and returning to Byron Bay.
Probably that 204's got him, have they?
Yes, yeah, we should be back on in a few minutes.
Copy. Standing by Richmond 204. Richmond 204, thanks.
Byron 205.
Tweed Byron 205.
Now that everything's under control, could you just give Byron Station a call for me? Those two public servants that have just dropped off down there, just let them know to come out the front of the station, I'll pick them up again.
Copy that.